Hey guys, this is Fuzzbuzz. Today I'm going to show you how to wash your bike in under 5 minutes. Check it out, you're about to get buzzed by the fuzz. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, smash the likes and leave a comment if you like it, or even if you don't. Fuzzbuzz. Okay, these are my materials that I have. Soapy water, I got some tire shine, I got some wheel cleaner, polish, armor all, and some auto sole metal polish. So there you go. Step 1, you need to wash the bike down. Make sure it's not hot, make sure the engine's cooled down before you wash it. And I never use high pressure, just straight out of the hose. Step 2, got some warm soapy water. Any sort of car detergent, wash detergent will do, and you give the bike a nice soak with soap water. This is step 2.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
Step 3, you need to hose the bike down, get rid of all the soap off the bike.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff.
And always try to make sure you wash the bike in the shade. Now, next step, we need to dry the bike, get rid of all the water on the bike. I don't have a chamois, I've got a towel that I will use as my chamois was damaged, so I need to buy a new one. Don't tell me stepmom. This is a gift from my stepmom, so I'll just quickly use this.
I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change.
Next step, I put some armor roll on the vinyl and leathers.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change.
Next, I put on some tire cleaner just to give the rims a bit of a clean.
I can help you out. 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 I can help you out.
So now the bike's clean. You can put some, I normally go over it with some auto sole all over the chrome bits and make sure they all look spicky spanny, and you're done. I mean, the bike's done now, it's all dry, clean. As I said, I put some auto sole on the chrome bits, make sure to polish them up, and yeah, for all your chrome bits and pieces, auto sole, it's magic. Made in Germany. It's crazy stuff. So I just put all this auto sole, rub it in with my hands, leave it to set in for a minute or so, and then with a nice cloth just go over it and polish it right up. Bit of elbow grease.
Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again.
You gotta do it with love. If you don't do it with love, it just won't shine the right way.
Call me up and you wanna be my friend. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you.
Now that's what you call a shine. You've just been buzzed by the fuzz. Clean motorbike in under 5 minutes, washed, polished, shine, spick and span. So make sure you subscribe to Fuzzbuzz, give me a thumbs up, smash that bell icon, leave a comment if you wish, good or bad. Stay tuned. Adios. Fuzzbuzz.